Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Nisahomey and I make healthy weight loss recipes. Today I'm sharing a really easy overnight oats with pomegranate seeds. Overnight oats are ideal for a healthy breakfast, especially on those busy mornings. And the best thing about overnight oats are they can be made ahead and does not require any cooking. Overnight oats are just oats soaked overnight, which makes them absorb the liquid in which you soak the oats. So if your mornings are hectic, overnight oats are a nutritious and tasty meal that can be ready the moment you wake up. Overnight oats are usually made in a mason jar which has a tight lid, as that makes it easier to carry to work. Now into a bowl or a mason jar, add in half cup instant oats. Instant oats are pre-cooked and hence they make an ideal choice for overnight oats. Add in half cup curd, 3/4 cup milk, and now give this a mix. For sweetness, I'm adding in 3 to 4 dates. You can add coconut sugar if you have, or maple syrup if you don't have dates, but try to avoid refined sugar. Then add in 1 tablespoon chia seeds, about 1/4 teaspoon crushed cardamom seeds, and give this a good mix. The chia seeds will swell up and thicken. Chia seeds are a good source of protein, healthy fats, fiber, minerals, vitamins, and antioxidants. Chia seeds are high in plant-based omega-3. They help to regulate cholesterol and lower blood pressure. Please note that chia seeds and basil seeds are not the same. And if you would like to know more about chia seed and basil seed, please check my video on the same. The links will be updated in the description box below. And lastly, for an extra crunch, top it with pomegranate seeds. Pomegranate seeds are a rich source of vitamin C, vitamin K, and potassium. I used seeds of half of a medium-sized pomegranate. Now cover it with a lid and keep it in the fridge overnight or for about 6 to 8 hours. And the next day morning, your overnight oats will be ready to serve. As you can see, the oats and chia seeds has soaked the liquid, but it has come out slightly thicker. I personally like it to be slightly thinner. I'm adding in about 3 to 4 tablespoons of milk to make it thinner. You can adjust milk to get the consistency you like your overnight oats to be. The pomegranate seeds not only make this filling breakfast colorful, but also gives a nice sweet crunch. And now my easy no cook overnight oats is ready to serve. Do try this recipe and let me know how this turned out. If you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button so that you can stay updated when I post new videos. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.